Over the next several minutes, I'm going to take you through TTN in the Netherlands and show you what it takes to build this specific part, along with some of the pedestals. This will show you the quality, the design aspects, and what it takes to build a world-class pad printer. Ends like this. This is a pedestal that has been welded with solid steel, and the design process has been done by TTN. I'll take you over here in a second to show you others. But this is very purposeful in the design. It has specific weld points, and this is the final assembly area of it. So here we can show some other pedestals that are in production right here, and they're finally being done. But we're going to take you over in the beginning stages where the actual steel is cut. Again, the design process is all in-house by TTN, and everything here is built in the Netherlands with basically everything you see is sourced from Europe. So we appreciate you going on this journey. Let's go to the beginning and see how that's done. Standing in front of a 9 kilowatt fiber laser. Behind that is a CO2 laser, and this thing can cut steel pretty quick. We're going to go check it out. This is what cuts all of the TTN pedestals, all of the Universal Series plates, the entire frame of the Universal Series, and really is one of the beginning stages of the production process aside from the design. So let's go check this out and see how it works. TTN's done designing the machine. It's then kicked over to this laser where it's optimized for layout, and that's when the laser starts the cutting process. To complete the supply chain, TTN sources all their steel right here in Europe. So that's cut, produced, and made, designed, and built 100% European. So one of the nicest things about this laser is it's a 9 kilowatt fiber laser, and with the current way that the exchange tables are set up, it allows continuous production throughout the evening. So we can continuously produce products as this runs with the automatic ability to adjust tips depending on thicknesses and types of steel. So this machine can run all night by itself. After the parts are laser cut, they come over here to a deburring machine where they're deburred, and then they come to a separate table where the operators can do a visual inspection. Laser cutting process, we come over here and manually deburr these. These are actual universal machines, which we have quite a few of, before they're bent and before they obviously are painted. So here we can see the beginning stages and the birth of a universal. So after laser cutting, we go to deburring, and after the deburring process, we come over here to the bending process. The machines are then bent into the appropriate form, where they then go to the welding process. So with this press, they're bending metal to potentially assemble different types of pedestals and parts for pad printing. Here we can see an end being bent. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification to be notified when we post new videos. So there's purposeful cutouts done on each one of these plates. As we can see, a very large piece of the pedestal with the slots already being pre-cut so that we have an alignment point so that everything's precision aligned for this. So right here we're seeing the assembly portion of and the manufacturing of one of the TTN professional pedestals in the production process. Here we are getting rid of all of the weld joints so that the pedestal looks really well when it's all done. So that because of the purposeful design of this, that all of the gapping is very precise in all of the products that TTN manufactures. This will lead to ultimate repeatability in the production process and the printing process for the customer. After the welding process is done, you can see all of the weld joints are polished and perfectly maintained to ensure precision time and again. After this process, TTN takes the entire portion of this machine and the assembly over to powder coating, not paint, and powder coats the entire base. After the design process, in the manufacturing process, TTN controls another process, all in-house, to tightly integrate the pad printing experience with the user. Here, we can see the software being programmed for the touchscreen control panels, not only on our Universal Series, but on our Servo Innovator and soon to be redesigned Professional Series machines. All our pneumatic hoses are from Festo, as well as the rest of the A-grade componentry that TTN offers in all of its line of machinery. For example, these INA bearings are found throughout our machines. They're made in Germany. Saboni motors are made in Italy for the tape cleaners. And all of our Festo pneumatic cylinders, even for the print heads, ensure maximum repeatability for decades of service.